Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In this video I am going to discuss some example by using these three methods: analytical method, graphical and derivative method. In the last video already I have discussed about these three methods. Analytical method means what? If we consider images are equal, if its p images are also equal, then this function is known as what? One function. Otherwise, if you consider p images are unequal and its images are also unequal, then also known as what? One function. With the help of these two conditions, you can check whether the function is one or not. Again, if we consider images are equal, the images are equal, p images are not equal, then this function is known as many-one function. Graphical method means what? In a graphical expression, in a graphical representation of an expression, if you draw a line parallel to x-axis, if this line intersects more than one point of the given graphical representation, then this function is always known as what? Many-one function. Otherwise, if this line intersects only one point, then this one is known as what? One-one function. Again, for derivative method is what? Derivative method কি কৈছো চাবা দেই ইয়াত কি উলাইছো মই f dash of x is greater than 0 or f dash of x is what? Less than 0. If f dash of x is greater than 0 or f dash of x is less than 0, that means first derivative, then this function is must be what? One function. Again, if f dash of x is greater than 0 and f dash of x is less than 0 in the given domain or given interval, then this function is must be many-one function. Okay. Now here we consider some example. In this example, we compare these two methods, analytical and derivative method. Initially, we consider these three examples. The first example is what? By using derivative method, f of x is equal to twice x, where x is belongs to what? All the natural number. What is the first derivative of this function? Is equal to what? 2. 2 is always what? Greater than 0. Therefore, the function must be a what? One function. That is the answer. Again, if we consider analytical method, that I mean pre-image consider x1 and x2, both are belongs to what? N means what? Domain of this function. Okay. When you consider images are equal, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We have to put what is the value of f of x1? By using this function, twice of x1 is equal to twice of x2. By using this function, you have x1 is equal to what? x2. That means when you consider images are equal, then p images are also what? Equal. Hence, the given function must be a one function. Okay. Now we consider third one. Third to মই এবাৰ consider কৰিছো চাইবা কেনেকৈ আমি তাক prove কৰিম. In third question কি আছে? f of x equal to what? 3 minus 4x. f dash of x is equal to what? Minus 4. What is the domain of this function? X is belongs to what? All the real number. Any real number put kore first derivative কি আছে? or negative আছে. Definitely you কি function হ'ব তোমাৰ 1. তো সেই সেম কোৱেশ্চন আমি এনালাইটিক মেথডৰ থ্ৰুদি কৰিছো। প্ৰি ইমেজ এটা আমি ক'ৰ পৰা কৰিছো? কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো all the real number, that is the domain of this function. If images are equal, then by using this function, this one you have 4x2, 3 cancel. Finally you have what? x1 is equal to x2. That means when you consider images are equal, then p images are also equal. Hence the function f of x equal to this one also a what? One function. So similarly you can prove this one. f is a function z to z. এটো তোমালোকে নিজে কৰিবা. Here we consider another set of questions. The function is what? All are in quadratic expression. Okay. The first one, by using derivative method, f of x is equal to x square, where x is belongs to n means what? Natural number. Find the first derivative, f dash of x, given by the limit twice x is belongs to where? Natural number, definitely this one is what? Greater than 0, hence the given function is what? 1. That is the answer. By analytical method, if we consider pre-images x1 and x2 both are belongs to n, if images are equal, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, by using this function, you have x1 is equal to x2 square, x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. Generally, মানে কি করে x1 square equal to plus minus x2 লিখে, তুমি generally হেতু লিখিব পাৰা, তাকে তুমি লেফট সাইডে আনি শিফট কৰি লবা, তেতিয়া ফ্যাক্টৰত আহিব, ফ্যাক্টৰ আহিলে তোমাৰ ৰিজনিংটো কি বলে ইজি হ'ব। ওকে, this one can be written as x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. Ultimately, you have x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or x1 plus x2 equal to 0. Here, x1 and x2 both are belongs to natural number. Therefore, sum of natural number cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, this part must be impossible. Why? Sum of natural number cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, possible part is what? This one. This part equal to, you have x1 minus x1 is equal to what? X2. That means if f of x1 equal to f of x2, you have x1 equal to x2. Hence, the function is what? 1. Okay. Then similarly, if you consider this one, third to the consider it, I can name with in question number 3, the function is what? F of x equal to 2 minus x square. Yes or no? And x is belongs to where? R means what? Already number. What is the value of this part? F dash of x equal to what? Minus twice x. If we consider x is a positive real value, positive means x is what? Positive real number. Positive যদি consider কৰো, x of dash আহিলে positive real number, multiply by minus 2, definitely r value কি আহিব তোমাৰ less than 0 or less than equal to 0 if we consider 0 is in the interval. Again, if we consider x is what? Negative real number, যদি negative real number consider কৰো, এটো পাৰ্টৰ value কি আহিলে তোমাৰ greater than 0. The positive and negative real number both are belongs to where? R. Here domain to be include with us. Now, by using this function, you have two values. One is what? Positive and another is what? Negative. Therefore, definitely this function must be a what? Minimum function. Clear this one? Now, with the help of analytical method, how can you prove it? We consider x1 x2 belongs to R. If images are equal, then you have 2 minus x1 square equal to 2 minus x2 square by using this function. You have 2 to cancelable. Finally, you have x1 square equal to x2 square. Left side lo anima jodi even power take para left side shift kori loba. x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0 and x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 equal to 0. Finally, you have x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or x1 plus x2 equal to 0. यार पर की पाई बोला x1 is equal to x2 or x1 is equal to minus x2. Both are possible. Why? x1 x2 both are what? Belongs to R. R means what? Real number or sum of real number equal to 0. By combining these two relations, you can write x1 equal to plus minus x2. What does it mean? If দুটা result combine কৰাৰ পিছত কি গম পালো যে pre-image লা কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? Equal in magnitude. তাৰমানে যদি magnitude লিয়া তাৰ value equal হ'ব. Magnitude লিয়ালে দুইটাৰ কি হ'ব? পজিটিভ হৈ যাব। But signs are what? Opposite. তাৰমানে তুমি এটা বস্তু ক্লিয়াৰ হ'লা যে যিবিলাক তোমাৰ pre-image পাবা, pre-image বিলাকৰ image কিটা equal হয়, যদি pre-image বিলাক কেনেকুৱা কনসিডাৰ কৰিব লাগিব, এটা যদি 2 কনসিডাৰ কৰে, another is what? -2. এটা যদি 3 কনসিডাৰ কৰে, another is what? -3. Okay? Therefore, you have to give a counter example. মই কৈছিলো যে যদি তোমাৰ মিনিমাম ফাংচন হয় তেতিয়া পৰা এটা কি দিব লাগিব counter example দিব লাগিব. If we consider x1 equal to 2 and x2 equal to -2, then f of x1 equal to what? By using this function 2 minus 2 2 squared is equal to what? 2 minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 2. Similarly, f of x2, 2 minus minus 2 squared, 2 minus 4, ultimately minus 2, both are equal. Finally, you have f of x1 equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, f is what? Key function will this one? Many one function. Clear this one? But if one many one hoy, then a counter example দিব লাগে. Similarly, etu question নিজে কৰিব পাৰিবা same procedure. In this set of equation, if you consider all the cubic function, okay? First question তোমার কি আছে চাবা f of x equal to x cube. ঠিক আছে? ইয়াৰ পৰা তুমি f of x উলিয়াই লও কিমান আহিব তোমাৰ s of x squared. X is belongs to what? All the natural number. Here যদি x of place natural number put koi dia 3 into here what natural number square means what? Always positive olabo. So finally here value ki olalo tomar greater than 0. Therefore function is must be what? 1. By analytical method কি লব লাগিব pre-image এটা ললো so x1 x2 belongs to where and means what? Natural number. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, putting this value in the given function x1 cube equal to x2 cube. The left side line here kiman hoy x1 cube minus x2 cube is equal to 0. Mane x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x1 into x2 plus x2 square is equal to 0. Finally, you have x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or x1 plus x1 into x2 plus x2 square equal to 0. From this part, you have key by Velaswa. A part is x1 x2 both are belongs to where natural number. Natural number square positive by this one also what? Product of natural number positive by this one also what? Square of natural number. That means what? All the natural numbers, sum of this natural number is cannot be equal to what? 0. And a part to ketiyao 0 hobo nware. That means this part is impossible. Why this part is impossible? That part kyo impossible ho? x1 and x2 both are belongs to where? Natural number. Natural number toka kane this part is impossible. If this part is impossible, therefore possible part is what? This one. Ultimately you have what? Three images are what? Equal. Hence the given function must be a one-off function. This part is so important, sir. A part to x1 or x2 যদি any real number হয়, a part to value সদায় greater than equal to 0. A part to value কি হয়? Greater than equal to 0. Equal to 0 কেতিয়া হ'ব? Only one condition. Condition is what? x1 equal to x2 equal to 0. যদি x1 x2 beta value 0 হয় তেতিয়া ই 0 হ'ব. Otherwise this value of this part is what? Strictly greater than 0. Okay? Equal to 0 কেতিয়া হ'ব? When x1 and x2 both are equal to 0. মানে এটো সেই কন্ডিশন টো ইয়াত ইনক্লুড হৈ থাকিব পাৰে। Similarly, in the third question to কি হ'ব তোমাৰ একটা procedure আহিব। Same procedure. ইয়াত x cube or function ডেরিভেটিভ কৰিলে 5x square আহিলে x square x belongs to all the real numbers square is what? Always positive হ'ব। তাৰমানে এই পাৰ্টৰ ভ্যালু কি হ'ব তোমাৰ greater than equal to 0. Hence the function is what? 1. আকৌ similarly যদি analytical method follow কৰো এই পাৰ্টটো ইয়ালৈকে আহিলে এই পাৰ্টটো কি হয় তোমাৰ always this part is what? Greater than any real value কাৰণে greater than equal to 0 হয়। এই পাৰ্টটো greater than এই পাৰ্টটো হয় greater than equal to 0। Equal to 0 কেতিয়া হ'ব? If x1 equal to x2 equal to 0 সেই কন্ডিশনটো ক'ত ইনক্লুড হৈ আছে? ইয়াত ইনক্লুড হৈ আছে। তে ডেফিনেটলি তেতিয়াহলে এই পাৰ্টটো ইকুৱেল টু কি হয়? আমি 0 কনসিডাৰ নকৰে। This part is always what? Greater than 0। ইকুৱেল হ'লে এইটো কন্ডিশন আহিব। সেই কন্ডিশনটো ক'ত সোমাই আছে? ইয়াত সোমাই আছে। Therefore কি হল? This function is what? 1. Similarly, question number 2, second question to ekla procedure কৰিব পাৰিবা নিজে কৰিবা same function দিয়া আছে z to z. Okay, now we will consider another set of question. The first two, one is what? Trigonometric function, mod function, greatest integer আৰু that is the signum function. Okay, the first function is what? কেনে কৰিব পাৰি? f of x is equal to কি দি আছে তোমাৰ sin of x. X is belongs to where? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 lies in first quadrant. F dash of x কিমান আহিব? F dash of x equal cos of x. X is belongs to where? 0 to pi by 2. That means lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Definitely value of this part is what? Greater than equal to 0. Why this part equal to 0? Here pi by 2 is what? Including cos pi by 2 equal to 0. Therefore this part is always what? Greater than equal to 0. Hence the given function must be what? 1 on function. Again, by using analytical method, let x1 and x2 both are belongs to where? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to what? Pi by 2. Generally trigonometric function, mod function, greatest in the function যদি দিয়া থাকে তার তুমি গ্রাফিক্যাল রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন কৰি লবা যদি তুমি তার গ্রাফিক্যাল রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন জানা কারণ এগুলা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড গ্রাফিক্যাল রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন আছে এখানে ড্র কৰি লবা তেতিয়া তোমাৰ কৰিবলৈ ইজি হ'ব now if we consider this function sine function to consider কৰিছো domain is what 0 to pi by 2 থাকিব ইয়াত আছে তোমাৰ 0 মানে এই রিমেইনিং পোরশন খিনি নালাগে definitely তুমি যদি ইয়াৰ parallel to x axis draw করো কিনা কোন কাছে আমি 1 point therefore from the graphical representation তুমি গম পালা যে given function must be what 1 on function. That means if we consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2 you have sine of x1 is equal to sine of x2. Ultimately you have x1 equal to x2. Why? You have different value of x, have different value of what? F of x. Definitely x1 is equal to what? x2. That means the given function is a 1. In question number 2, here f dash of x is equal to what? Cos of x. X is lies between where? 0 to pi by 2 as mark as pi. 0 to pi by 2, cos is always positive. Pi by 2 to pi, cos is always what? Negative. That means this part is positive if, that means this part is greater than 0 if axis belongs to where? 0 to pi by 2. Eto interval tomar positive ahibo. Again if we consider axis belongs to pi by 2 to 0, pi 2 इसलिए भूल हो गई ना लिखा. In question number 2, second question of tomorrow, first derivative किमान आएगा सोआ ना? यह रही है तुम्हारा cos of x. X is belong to where? 0 to pi by 2. It is 0 to pi, not pi by 2. 0 to pi. In first quadrant, cos is always positive. Cos x is a function too. In second quadrant, cos is always what? Negative. If we consider x is belongs to where? 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 close to 0 also close. Our interval ki by x is belongs to pi to pi by 2. Pi by 2 open লৈছো কি কাৰণে আগটো ক্লোজ ললো তেতিয়ালে ইয়াৰ এড্ৰেছ অফ x ৰ ভ্যালু কি আহিব তোমাৰ greater than equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 always positive হয়. Pi to pi by 2 কি হলে তোমাৰ less than 0 always কি হৈ থাকে তোমাৰ negative. That means f dash of x for particular this interval tomar positive ahile yat ki ahile tomar negative. Therefore the given function must be what? Ki function aiba this one? Always what? Many one function. Clear? In analytical method tat ki koriba shuna ha prothomore graph to tumi draw kori loba eta koribo easy. Okay, era x axis yat lolo moi 0 yat lola tumi pi by 2 yat lola tumi pi. ঠিক আছে 0 to pi by 2 মাজত যিকোনো এটা ভ্যালু এজিউম কৰিবা কাৰণ তো ই মেনি ওয়ান হৈছে বুলি তুমি গম পালা কেনে গম পালা parallel to x axis draw কৰিলে within this interval 0 to pi always intersect more than one point এইটো পইণ্ট আৰু এইটো পইণ্ট কাটিছে তেতিয়া হলে তোমাৰ চোৱা ইয়াতে যদি তুমি এটা ভ্যালু তুমি এজিউম কৰিলা সে একনৰ পৰা তুমি pi by 4 the next এইটো পইণ্ট তুমি কি লবা গম পালা না pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi by 2 plus pi by 4 যদি তুমি এটো pi by 3 consider কৰিছা next point is what pi by 2 plus pi by 3 if you consider pi by 6 then we consider this one pi by 2 plus pi by 6 এতিয়া তোমাৰ দুইটা ভ্যালু সেম আহিব ঠিক আছে এতিয়া হলা মই কি ললো x1 is equal to what pi by 4 আৰু x2 equal to কি ললা তুমি pi by 2 plus pi by 4 both are different value f of x1 কি হ'ব চাবা হা by using this function sine of pi by 4, sine pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. Clear this one? Similarly, for this function f of x2, sine of what? Pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Pi by 2 means 1 into pi by 2 odd multiple odd hole marks here you are definitely sine paper I jabo cos pi by 2. The lies in which quadrant? Pi by 2 plus pi by 4 ইয়াত পৰিব কোনটো quadrant পৰিব তোমাৰ second quadrant sign is positive or negative definitely positive ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু আহিলে 1 by root 2 ইয়াৰ পৰা তুমি কি গম পালা f of x1 equal to f of x2 yes or no that means f of x1 equal to f of x2 but x1 is not equal to x2. What does it mean? From this part you have the given function must be a what? Many one function. Okay? Now here you consider the modulus function. Modulus function to you consider a graphical representation more or less. It would matter graphical representation for all the real number. Okay? If you consider a line parallel to x-axis intersect how many points? 2 points. One is this one and another is this one. Definitely from the graphical representation you have the function must be a what? Minimum function. But in analytical method you can write in this way x2 and x2 belongs to R if f of x1 equal to f of x2 you have modulus of x1 equal to modulus of x2 x1 equal to plus minus x2. So what does it mean? That means what? Magnitudes are equal but opposite in sign. Tamane tar p image like value kenekwa lobo laibo eta jodi 2 loa next to -2 eta jodi 3 loa etu ki lobo laibo -3 karon function to ki function hoise tomar sure many one function eta x1 equal to 2 long x2 equal to modulus of -2 proof koribo kare. What is the value of f of x1? Modulus of 2 is equal to 2. Similarly for f of x2 modulus of -2 is equal to what? You have f of x1 is equal to f of x2 but x1 is what? Not equal to x2. Definitely the given function must be what? Mean one. Greatest integer function. The range of a greatest integer function is equal to what? Z. When domain is what? All the real number. That is the graphical representation of greatest integer function. If you consider any real value within this interval 1 and 2, the value of y is what? Definitely kiman hoise tomar 1. For any real value between 1 and 2, 1 or 2 major any real value consider kora, the f of x or value ki aibo definitely ki aibo tomar same aibo. Ekarone moi ei part ko jodi choose kora, the any part definitely you have the function is what? Many one. As an example, x1 equal to we consider 1.2 and x2 equal to we consider 1.5. Then f of x1 is equal to greatest integer of 1.2. Definitely this value is equal to 1. Again for f of x2 greatest integer of 1.5 is equal to what? 1. What does it mean? F of x1 equal to f of x2. This implies what? x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, the given function must be what? Many one function. Similarly, if we consider in question number 5, this one is known as what? The function is what? Signum function. Here, the domain is what? All the real number and range of this function is what? Range of this function signum function range 1, 0, minus 1. Definitely you have for all the value of x which is greater than 0 the value of y is equal to what? 1. So here to we compare the function to ki hoise here many one. x1 equal to jodi moi 2 loi lo x2 equal to tumi jodi 5 loa etale f of x1 2 is greater than 0 satisfying this condition then definitely this value is equal to what? 2 to ahile here value kiman ahile 1. If we consider f of x2 means what? 5. F of 5. F of 5 is equal to what? 1 by using this condition. So finally you have f of x1 equal to what? F of x2. But x1 is what? Not equal to x2. Hence the given function is what? Many one function. Okay.